morning. ¿Qué tal ulit na todo? Ara Lunes, takiyo andayo chini appointment na dentista for some peeling na dimudiente and kabarlego, mag-pick up ng mga bata. Yan ablayo del otro na el routine di mio ansine tamen araw le, siya tutulungan mga bata natin na eskwela and kabar niya appointment ara din lego na kanila saka kabar kanila saka na eskwela. Si Allison Lego chenele volleyball practice, so libego nelo libira na eskwela para na volleyball practice. Akabaran din na work Lunes ara. So Lunes like I said before, Lunes been busy na trabaho. So it's ara el principio de semana, Lunes. So trabajo hasta Jueves, kabar opya yo 3 días. Dentista kita na gana kita na dentista. Tapi nila nyo gracias na todo na for watching Tamira na Demi channel, and I hope man-subscribe ustedes conmigo and likes, comment para también ayudar na Demi channel. Kabaya kita na dentista, bolbeana yo pwede kay chini kita trabaho lego. Best dentista, I really like them. For me they're one of the best. Kanto dentista anda pero I feel comfortable. The staff are all very nice, the doctors, and they're very good. Mampil got to welcome, and they really treat you well. So I really recommend, if you're from this area, check them out. I'll put the link, I'll put the name, the dentist name. Alright, so I'll see you guys again later. day na full week of classes ng mga anak ko. So we're back to reality. Tapos na yung summer ng mga bata. So they're in school. So alas 2 na ng hapon. Sunduin ko na yung mga bata. Una sunduin ko yung panganay ko, and then sunod yung maliit, and then drop off ko sila sa bahay, and then I have to go to work. Monday work is 100% busy. So okay, there's Alea. There's Alea. Hi, Lele. Pick up the thing, the backpack. Hi, Lele. Thank you, Dichi. Put a seatbelt. Say thank you, Dichi. Say thank you, Dichi.
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Kuda.
Bye, Miss Kukusa. How's school?
Hey,
Okay, good job, Lele.
I want to go home.
Huh?
I want to go home.
Yeah, we're going home.
Okay. What food is there?
I cook adobo. You eat adobo?
Yeah.
Okay. So I cook adobo.
I
Lele, I cook adobo. You can put the sabaw to your rice and toyo, okay?
no.
You don't want rice and toyo?
Yes.
Okay. Yun yung paborito niya, rice and toyo. Tipid tong bata na to. How's school, Lay?
Look, that's Evelyn and her sister.
Yeah, she's picking up their sister too.
No, they just walk.
Lay, how's school? Okay. They're all nasa bahay na sila lahat. Yung mga anak ko, they nasa bahay na. So it's time for me to go to work. So this is what I do. This is what I'm gonna do every day. Ito lang palaging itong routine ko, ganito palagi every day. Pagkatapos ko sila sunduin sa bahay na, and then pasok na ako sa work. So like I said, sinabi ko kanina na ngayon ay Lunes. Lunes is yung pinakamahirap pumasok sa trabaho. Mas lalo pa na galing ako sa weekend on. Nagtrabaho ko nung weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So ang day off ko sa Biyernes pa, na Friday pa din yung day off. So I can wait. You know, era Biyernes siya kay kansaw yayo. Pero aquí na Amerika hindi kasi to pwede habla kansaw. Hindi natin pwede dito sa Amerika, hindi natin pwede sabihin na oh pagod na ako, hindi ako pwede hindi na ako papasok sa trabaho, hindi ako magtrabaho, no. Iba dito, kahit pagod ka na papasok ka pa rin. Kaya yun ang buhay dito sa Amerika. Hindi mo pwede sabihin pagod ka na. So anyway, ito lang. So yung mga nagwa-wonder kung ano yung channel ko, my channel is all about family lang. So kinakwento ko lang yung mga anong ginagawa ko dito, anong ginagawa namin dito. So if you wanna follow my channel, please subscribe. And that will help me, and I'm gonna para may gana pa rin ako mag-upload ng video. So kung may comments kayo, you can comment and do suggestion kung anong dapat kong gawin. So that's it guys, it's Monday, so back to work. So I'll see you guys again. Thank you for watching.